Can a phone run AI?
Well, to be more specific, can a health worker provide medical services augmented by a medical model for a fee in an encrypted manner while offline through a P2P network without any calls to cloud LLMs or external inference APIs?
Yes, it can. So we will be making use of Tether QVAC's MedSci model for this. This is a completely local first AI model that you can set up on your Mac or even your phone. This model has actually outperformed Google's medical model as well, despite being less than half of its size. And it's also known for its inference speed, which consumes less than 1000 tokens for each response compared to the benchmark of around 2500 tokens for these kind of queries. So you can actually just go ahead and set this model up by installing it. You can find it on Hugging Face. So we are making use of the Q4KM with a size of around 2.7 GB that we have set up on the Mac. So we have two processes which will be running. One is our Asker agent and one is our health worker. So the asker is basically going to draft a response along with their symptoms, which is going to be sent across in an encrypted manner, accessed by our health worker, who can just send this to our medical model, which will respond back using the inference of the Mac itself in about 20 to 30 seconds. So just to be clear, the AI is not the doctor here. The health worker has the ability to go ahead and edit the response and make some changes and then approve and send. Because this is a Tether demo, we also have a payment angle to it, where whenever the asker asks a question, it is actually a escrow voucher which is being sent over using the EIP 712 standard, and it is unlocked when the health worker actually issues a response. And to demo this on my phone specifically, because I did not run the Asker process on my phone, I've just set up a Tailscale so that both the Mac and the phone can be on the same network, which does mean that for this demo, this does require internet. But if you do have a different router, you can actually set up the whole thing completely on the airplane mode. Okay, so now this is all clear. Let's go dive into the demo. So it's on the same network thanks to Tailscale. So now we're gonna actually test this out. So I have described I have a fever since a week and some muscle cramps. So I'm just gonna go ahead and send this. So as you can see, it's saying a health worker is drafting and reviewing your consult. So we can go back to the laptop and see whether this query has been registered to the health worker. We have the consult popping up here. So this is something which is generated with the MedSci model. So as you can see, this is relying on our own backend, and it's telling us that it's able to generate 15.6 tokens per second. Let's just go ahead and approve and send this. And right here, we can actually check that this has been reviewed and this has been approved by the health worker for 0.01 USDT. And it has given us the plan, everything, what all we need to do.
So yeah, that's it for this demo. If you want to keep checking out local AI models, then do give me a follow. Right. Bye.